Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something really interesting. It is a topic you all have been waiting for. I get so many DMs and comments asking me to make a video on how I take care of my armpits. So today we are going to see all the things that I do to keep my armpits flawless, and also some do's and don'ts and some tips and tricks to keep your underarms flawless. We are all aware of the fact that skincare is very important. In order to look good with makeup or just in general, you need to take care of your skin and maintain its health. When it comes to skincare, we often neglect our armpits. It is very important to look after your underarms and take necessary precautions, and also use a few products to maintain the health of your armpits and also prevent it from pigmentation. Some of the very common underarm problems are ingrown hair, texture or chicken-like skin, then darkening or pigmentation, then odor is a very common problem. Just as you follow a skincare routine, it is also important to follow an underarm routine along with your body care routine. I will be making a dedicated video on body care routine, so stay tuned for that. Now let's see how I took care of my armpits and still doing the same while it is lockdown. Now lockdown has made a lot of things difficult for us, like there are no salons open, and ones that are open there are so many restrictions, and also I'm very sure that you might be scared to go to a salon. Now last year when there was complete lockdown, these are some of the steps that I used to do. So I am now sharing a few steps and a routine that can be followed by you as well to maintain flawless looking underarms. The very first step to taking care of your armpits is to keep them clean, and is hair removal. Now hair removal is a personal preference, and hair removal methods work differently for everyone. I will be making a dedicated video on hair removal and everything that you need to know about hair removal and things that I do, so stay tuned for that. Waxing and shaving are the two feasible options. You can do this all by yourself at home. If you are planning to go for a painless and quick solution to remove your hair, I would suggest shaving. I would highly recommend the Sanfi Underarm No Mess razor. Now these razors are like tiny and easy to carry around, and also very simple to use. You can see they look so cute and are also perfect for like quick hair removal without any pain. I would highly recommend you check out the Sanfi Underarm No Mess razor. They're only for 499 rupees, and you get like 5 razors in them, which is like approximately 100 rupees per razor. Also, इसकी खासियत ये है कि it comes with this comb-like structure that aligns your hair while you shave, making it very easy to use. After you are done hair removal, I would highly suggest that you use something soothing on your skin. I always use the Plum Hello Aloe Just Gel after hair removal procedure. It hydrates my skin and also prevents rashes and all the redness that you see after hair removing process. This is also very lightweight and it does not feel sticky at all. Next up, let's talk about exfoliation. Now exfoliation होता क्या है? It helps remove the dead skin layer and makes your skin super smooth. Also exfoliating के बाद ना, whatever you use, it gets easily absorbed into the skin. And also if you're suffering from problems like skin texture, pigmentation and chicken-like skin, exfoliation is going to take care of that. I would highly recommend you check out the Sanfi Underarm Detox Exfoliator. It is pH balancing and it contains Dead Sea Mud and Blue Sea Kale. It is detoxing and it thoroughly exfoliates my armpits. I really like the texture of this product. The exfoliating particles aren't very harsh and the entire procedure is very soothing. Now this underarm detox exfoliator contains phytonutrients and it has detoxing properties, and it also helps tighten pores. Exfoliation is a very important step and I would suggest that you never skip it. Exfoliate twice a week. And then I have been really loving their underarm depigmentation serum. It is pH balancing and it is great for pigmented armpits. Now the texture of this serum is extremely lightweight. It does not feel sticky at all. So what it does is it helps in improving the skin tone, and it also treats spots and pigmentation that you have on your armpits. Spots and pigmentations are pretty common, girl. You are not alone, and dealing with it is no fun. It is very important that you take care of it before it darkens even further. Also, a very interesting thing about this serum is that it contains sea grape and green seaweed, and it has silver flakes in it. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but this jar does have silver flakes. This serum has cucumber extracts, aloe vera gel, which is a great anti-inflammatory ingredient, and it also has vitamin C and kojic acid, which is known for its depigmentation properties. I use this after a shower and also before sleeping. It is recommended to use this twice a day for best results. It also smells very fresh, and I really like how this smells, and applying this and going to sleep is very soothing. Now this entire routine of hair removal, exfoliation using the serum is a perfect way to keeping your underarms looking fresh and flawless. Now some tips and tricks that I would suggest is wearing comfortable, breathable clothing, and also soft clothing that is not going to irritate your sensitive armpits. What exactly happens is when you wear tight clothing or clothing that is not comfortable, it causes friction on the armpits, and this can lead to darkening or dark spots or pigmentation. Also, if you are using alcohol based deodorants or harsh deodorants on your sensitive underarm area, it is going to cause pigmentation and irritation to your armpits. So these were all the steps and things that I do to take care of my armpits, and this is the reason my armpits are so flawless. I will be linking all the products in the description. You can go and check it out, and see you all very soon. Bye guys.